Okay, so this second problem set is again about, not again, it's about backward induction. And so we have like a decision tree, and so now we need to evaluate certain decisions. So let's begin with the first one. Okay, suppose the firm initially chooses continue. Following this choice, if chance or Mother Nature chooses failure, what would the firm want to choose? Good, bad, enter, do not enter. Okay, so we initially choose continue, and then chance selects failure. So continue, then Mother Nature selects failure. So now what we need to do is we need to evaluate what's the expected payoff if we enter, and we can write it as expected payoff, enter, and that is of course a profit of profit of 185,000 with a probability of 0.2. So we would write 0.2 times 150,000. But then there's also a loss with a probability of 0.8. So plus, put that here, okay, so when I get my calculator, so this would be, and it's of course not 160, but it's negative 200,000, of course. So negative 200, okay. So 0.2 times 185, 123 plus 0.8 times negative 200 equals negative 123,000. So negative 123,000, well, that's still better than 125,000, so therefore we enter. Suppose the firm initially chooses continue. Following this choice, if chance chooses success, what would the firm want to choose? Okay, so through backward induction, I forgot to say, we already eliminated the do not enter strategy after failure. But now we have continue, success. So now what is the expected payoff of enter? So let's write it, expected payoff of enter again. So that is 0.75 or 3/4 times 400,000 plus 1/4 or 0.25 plus 1/4 times 120,000. Okay, that is 300,000 plus 30,000, so that is 330,000. Which is obviously better than the, in this case, the certainty equivalent of 200,000. So we still enter. And we can eliminate do not enter. Okay. Suppose the firm initially, what will the firm choose? Still enter. Final question, what is the best initial choice? Continue, abandon, good or bad? Okay, well, so let's first get the expected payoff from abandon. Maybe let's put that up. So the expected payoff from abandon is 5% chance that we get 240,000. Plus a 95% chance that we get 20,000. So let's use my calculator again. So 0.05 times 240, 123, plus 0.95 times 20. So that is 31,000. And what's the expected payoff of continue? Let me squeeze that in here. So that is with probability 0.7, we get 330,000 plus, because we eliminated do not enter, and with a probability of 0.3, we get negative 123,000. Okay, this is what we need to evaluate against the 31,000. So let's do the math. 0.7 times 330, 123, plus 0.3 times negative 123, 123. So 123,000, and then I get 194,100. Which is obviously greater than the expected payoff from abandon, so our final decision is to continue. Okay, so this problem set, I hope, illustrated again a little bit, what it means when we say a good manager plans forward but reasons backwards. All right, so yeah, let's just stop here and then let's continue with the next problem set in a new video.